Looking to refresh your patio setup? Choosing the best paint for outdoor furniture metal ensures your pieces stay vibrant and protected against the elements. In this video, we'll reveal top options to keep your metal furniture looking brand new. Number 1. Heirloom Metal Furniture Paint. Heirloom Metal Furniture Paint stands out as a fantastic choice for transforming outdoor metal furniture with minimal effort. This product is known for its all-in-one convenience, requiring no sanding, priming, or top coat, which dramatically reduces prep time and simplifies any furniture makeover. The paint delivers a low-luster, velvet sheen finish that's stylish and suitable for both interior and exterior projects. One of the product's most thoughtful touches is its included 30 featured and newest released color card. Each swatch is an actual sprayed-on sample, allowing users to see how the paint will appear under their specific home lighting before committing to a full application. This small addition goes a long way toward ensuring accurate color selection. Beyond its application on metal, this paint is impressively versatile. It works beautifully on walls, cabinets, doors, counters, ceramics, glass, and even floor tiles. It's also flexible enough to coat smooth fabrics, vinyl, and leather, ideal for those who enjoy creative home projects. The paint stretches and adheres well, offering durability across various surfaces. While digital screens sometimes distort color perception, Heirloom Traditions provides an optional physical fan deck for those seeking guaranteed precision in their color choices. The final finish resists everyday wear and holds up well outdoors against fluctuating temperatures and moisture. It also dries quickly, allowing for efficient project completion without lengthy downtime. For anyone interested in a reliable, user-friendly paint that eliminates tedious prep work while delivering attractive, professional results, Heirloom Metal Furniture Paint is an excellent option. Number 2. Rust Oleum Metal Furniture Paint. Rust Oleum Metal Furniture Paint is an impressive paint and primer in one solution, designed for both indoor and outdoor furniture. This premium product is specifically formulated to protect surfaces from the wear and tear of everyday life. It offers exceptional hiding power, making it capable of concealing scratches, scuffs, and marks on older or weathered furniture. What sets this paint apart is its ultimate durability. Surfaces painted with Rust Oleum can be easily cleaned without harsh scrubbing, making maintenance a breeze for busy households or outdoor spaces. A standout feature is its superior coverage and fast-drying formula. 1 gallon covers up to 400 square feet and dries to the touch in just 1 hour, making it ideal for those who want to complete projects quickly without sacrificing finish quality. Available in an appealing selection of 90 trendy colors, Rust Oleum provides both eggshell and semi-gloss options, allowing for plenty of personalization in outdoor decor. Beyond metal furniture, this paint works well on walls, doors, and cabinets, making it a practical, multi-purpose product. Its durable finish holds up well against the elements, ensuring that outdoor pieces remain vibrant and chip-free through rain, sun, and daily use. The smooth, even application and options make this paint a go-to choice for anyone seeking to refresh outdoor metal furniture with reliable, attractive results that last. Number 3. Rust 167830 Metal Furniture Paint. Rust 167830 Metal Furniture Paint is a top pick for those tackling both residential and industrial projects. Specifically designed for metal, it also adheres well to wood, plastic, and other surfaces. The paint's modified alkoid formula ensures professional-grade durability while meeting USDA incidental food contact requirements, a testament to its safety and quality. One of the most convenient features is its rapid drying time, with surfaces drying to the touch in just 10 minutes. This allows users to handle furniture quickly without prolonged waiting. Additionally, the product offers twice the coverage of leading competitors, making it highly economical for larger projects. Its ability to endure temperatures up to 200 degrees adds extra reliability for outdoor applications, resisting chipping, fading, and peeling even in harsh conditions. Application is easy thanks to the extra-wide fingertip spray tip and any-angle spray technology, which ensures even, consistent coverage on both flat and hard-to-reach surfaces. The finish is smooth and professional, with multiple color options available to complement outdoor decor. Whether reviving an old patio set or updating decorative metalwork, this paint delivers lasting results. Its balance of affordability, durability, and ease of use makes Rust 167830 a practical and effective choice for anyone looking to restore metal furniture quickly and beautifully. Number 4. Rust 21088 6PK Metal Furniture Paint. Rust 21088 6PK metal furniture paint is a versatile and dependable solution for anyone aiming to protect and revamp outdoor metal furniture. This paint's weather and corrosion-resistant coating offers reliable protection for metal, wood, masonry, and more. The oil-based formula creates a durable, protective layer with superior rust prevention, crucial for furniture exposed to outdoor elements. The paint dries to the touch in 2 to 4 hours and covers up to 15 square feet per can, making it suitable for smaller pieces or detailed projects. A major highlight is the hammered metal finish, which not only provides an appealing textured appearance, but also helps disguise surface flaws such as dents, scratches, or rust spots. The finish is highly resistant to abrasion, fading, and chipping, ensuring outdoor furniture maintains its fresh look for years. Available in various shades, Rust 21088 allows homeowners to customize their furniture while adding a rugged, protective coating. Whether updating weathered patio chairs or giving a garden bench a new lease on life, this paint offers a great blend of aesthetic appeal and long-term durability. Its smooth application, quick drying time, and protective capabilities make it an excellent investment for those serious about outdoor furniture care. Number 5. Country Chic Metal Furniture Paint. Country Chic Metal Furniture Paint is a fantastic option for DIYers seeking an all-in-one formula that simplifies furniture refinishing. It features a built-in primer and top coat, eliminating the need for multiple products and saving valuable time. Designed for use on a variety of surfaces including metal, wood, laminate, and even upholstery, this paint ensures excellent adhesion and durable, long-lasting coverage. What makes it particularly appealing is its quick-drying, chalky matte finish, which dries within 30 minutes and is easy to distress for those who love vintage-inspired projects. The self-leveling formula minimizes brush strokes, resulting in a flawless, smooth finish even for beginners. It's backed by over 80 years of experience, offering users a proven, reliable product that stands up to everyday use. The paint is available in an assortment of vibrant, on-trend colors, making it easy to customize outdoor furniture to suit any style preference. Whether updating an old patio table or giving new life to garden benches, Country Chic paint delivers consistently professional results. Its combination of convenience, durability, and quick-drying properties makes it a favorite among hobbyists and professionals alike. Perfect for both large-scale transformations and small creative projects, this paint offers a high-quality finish that enhances outdoor living spaces while protecting against weather and wear. Like the video, hit the subscribe button, and press the bell icon.